Welcome students, solving problems. At the end of the lesson, you would be able to solve problems and reason mathematically. Now, if I'm going to solve problems, I'm going to follow 5 steps. First, I'm going to read the problem. Then I'm going to circle important information. After that, I'm going to draw a simple drawing and then write a number sentence to work out my problem. Then at the end, I'm going to answer in a sentence. Okay, I'm going to do 2 problems with you. Let's read the problem. How many colored pencils are there in 3 pots? If there are 37 pencils in each pot. Now, I'm going to use a green marker to go and circle my important information. You can use a colored pencil if it was your problem that you need to solve. Okay, how many colored pencils are there in 3 pots? Now it's 3 pots. They have asked how many. If they ask how many, I'm usually going to add them together. If there are 37 pencils in each pot. Now let's see. How am I going to make my drawing? I'm going to draw my 3 pots. This is my pots. Just simple. I know if I make the circle, this is a pot. Doesn't need to be perfect. It's just a circle. Showing this is the pot, there's the pot, there's the pot, and in the pot there is 37, 37, and 37. Okay, that's my simple drawing. Now I need to go and work out and solve my problem by calculating. Now I'm going to add them together. This is my 3 pots. They want to know how many are they all together. Okay. If I have 3 pots. Now it's 37. I'm going to add 37. And I'm going to add 37. And then I will get my answer. Now, adding them together, it's so big. These numbers is 2-digit numbers, it's 10s and 1s, and they are big numbers. So if you are struggling with adding them together, you can go and take them apart and put your 10s in their basket, 30, and your other 10, 30, and your other 10, put them in their basket, their basket, and you can add them then together. Then you can take all your 1s and put them into their basket. Seven, 7, 7. And then you can add them together. Getting the answer by adding the 10s together would be counting in 30s. 30, 60, 90. And it's 90. Then adding my 1s together would be 7, 14, 21. I'm adding them together. And then now, first my 10s, which is going to be 90 add 20. So, 20. So I have 90 in my head. 90, 100, 110. Now I still need to go and add my 1s. And that's going to be 111. Now, getting my answer, I need to go and answer in a sentence. Now, I'm going to read my sentence again. How many colored pencils are there in 3 pots? If there are 37 pencils in each pot. Now, I would say, there are 111 colored pencils in 3 pots. Perfect. Now, if I am your teacher and I'm going to mark your problem after you have solved it, this would be how I'm going to mark it. I would go and look, did you make a simple drawing? Yes. Did you go and calculate? Yes. Did you go and answer in a sentence? Yes. And that is how I would mark it. I'm not just going to give a mark for the answer. You had to go and show me how did you get to the answer, and then I want you to go and answer in a sentence. Let's do another one. First, I'm going to read my problem. If you have 3 boxes of 43 scissors, how many scissors do you have? Now I'm going to use my green again and then go and circle the important information. If you have 3 boxes of 43 scissors, how many again, it should be add, scissors do you have? Now I'm going to draw my 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. It's very simple. How many scissors in each box? 43. 43. 43. 43. Okay, now I'm going to calculate. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 2 ways how to calculate. This is going to be my first way and this is going to be my second way. Okay. Now, adding them together. This is the first thing that you can do. You can either add them together using addition, which would be 43, add 43, add 43. And then you can use partitioning, taking them apart to go and put the tens in their box, in their basket. Go 40, 40, and 40. I'm going and putting my ones in their basket. Ones, ones, ones. Putting them in their basket. 3, 3. Here we go. So, adding them together would give me 40, 80, 120. Counting in 40s. Now I'm going to add, counting in 3s, 3, 6, 9. And it will be 129. On this side, you can either use multiplication. There we go. We can say I have 43 scissors. In groups of 3. In 3 groups. There we go. Now I can go and use partitioning to go and calculate this. I can say, okay, this is my tens. I'm going to put them in their group, 40. I'm going to put my ones in their group. My ones in their group, yes. And then I'm going to multiply by 3 in both. Okay, now if I multiply by 3, it is 40, 80, 120. Or now I'm going to multiply 3 by 3 is 3, 6, 9. And I also got to 129. So you can choose. Either you can add or you can multiply. Now I need to go and answer in a sentence. If you have 3 boxes of 43 scissors, how many scissors do you have? You can say I have 129 scissors. If I have 3 boxes. And if I am your teacher, this is how I'm going to mark how you solved your problem. So, if you have done addition, I need to see your simple drawing. There we go. I need to see either you're going to add or you're going to multiply. Then I'm going to give you a mark for that. You worked out. And then for your answering in a sentence. So this is how I'm going to mark it. I hope that you have learned about how to solve a problem and that you're going to solve problems using the 5 steps. You are going to read the problem first, circle important information, then you make a simple drawing, write a number sentence, and then answer in a sentence. So go practice more. See you next time.